मरुओइबा पाउ बोम नमयुम थुगाइबी खिबदगी लेफम लेतदुना रिलीफ कैंप लेरखिबी नाउरेम रोजिताना नेशनल लीगल सर्विसेस अथॉरिटी की मकोक थोंबसिंग उनरुरबा तुंगदा ngasi इम्फाल दा थुंगलखरे NIA na thadok khinaba yathang pikraba mak thangmang hauke ngarang atopa case amaga mari leinana judicial magistrate first class Imphal West na judicial custody da amuka thajan khre amadi law na thingkraba lalholo KCP lalumba amadi KYKL gi mioi amamam security force na tongan tongan bamafum mani dagi fagat khre Kurumzari ISCOM MANIPURI pau meeting tabiri bakhwai punamapu taram oksari hauji pau sandokna bizari National Legal Services Authority ki makok thongba sing hakthengnana unaduna lamdam asida leiriba internally displaced persons IDP singda legal aid amadi relief fanghanbada mateng pangbinaba New Delhi da satuna taksilurabi phubala relief camp ta leiribi Naurem Rosita amadi mahaki khongloi sing ngase Imphal da thunglakhrei Naurem Rosita ngase Imphal gi airport ta hek thunglabaga mahakpu uripok nupi apun balukki yamlaba member kaya na leipareng sing huktuna taramna okhe Kuki sing na IED sizinaduna Surasanpur ta leiba masagi yum thugai khibadagi Naurem Rosita hauzik phubala da hangliba relief camp ta imung manungi mioi singa punna changjafam lawduna leiribani Rosita amadi atai leminaba inmate singa punduna tha astigi taramanga da National Legal Services Authority Nalsagi makok thongba official singa unaduna makhoida relief amusung legal aid pibinaba haizarubani mahangna center lengak amadi ministry kharada iba serol da state asida hauzik leiriba Maitai IDP singi oiriba fibam amasung makhoina kari mathau tari haibana singba adu mayek sengna pankhi mahaki wahang singi pakhum nalsana pikhi amadi Rosita amasung atai IDP aniga loinana nalsagi member secretary in SARS SC Munghatega New Delhi da tha sigi tang tara mangada unakhi unaba adu da point kon yauba serol ama pisinduna sahi ani fazilaklaba irang asina awaba mayok nariba Miyang gidamak mateng pangbina bahayjake Nalsagi member secretary SC Munghatena point kunyaw baseroladu Nalsagi executive chairman oiba Supreme Court ki Justice BR Gavai yaw gadaba meeting amada sungsoy soidana puthok lagani haibagi thazaba pirakhibani Panbayai madudi Justice Gavai na lusingba Supreme Court ki judge singi tim ama handakta haibadi March ki tang ko nithoida Manipur da laktuna state asigi relief camp sing da chattuna IDP singa unaduna makhoina mayok nariba khudong sadaba sing khangdokhiba laikhrabani
With the outcome of this discussion, Mr. S.C. Mugate have given assurance and also been promised that he will be presenting this point with Mr. Gavai, the Supreme Court Justice, to apprise this point and to be implemented and have the most constructive directives, and the outcome today is a benefit for all the Maitais IDP. I request all the Maitai IDPs should open up these eyes and also have an appreciation and gratitude expressed from each and every one of us to the NALSA. We express the gratitude to NALSA, and the IDP of Maitai should also be acknowledged this initiative, especially by Rosita from Chuchampur. The necessity of UID linked with the Aadhaar card has been discussed. The educational free policies, the educational free allowance up to the certain amounts has been well discussed, and I'm sure NALSA will definitely take it up. So now the voice is to the President of India. We have submitted, IDP have submitted these memorandums on the dated 6th, and also to the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the Defense Minister, the Finance Minister, the Human Resource, the Lamba Commissions. They have not yet been even given any acknowledgement of these submission, and we have no stop of these approach, and the IDP will be keep on approaching them for having the physical meeting with them.
India lengak ke mayok ta lan hauba amadi lan hauna bo khonai haibagi maralda jail da lerakhiba mak thangmang hauke post special judge National Investigation Agency NIA Imphal West na thadokhinaba wafam lakraba matung ngarang amuk mahaku atopa case amaga mari lenana Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal West na judicial custody da amuk thasan khre Government of People's Democratic Republic of Kukilen kaubalup amagi President ni haizaba loinana India dagi tokhaina tanaba hotnaba amasung lan hoba natraga lal hauna bohnai haibagi maralda phakhiba mak thangmang haukipo bel da thadokhinaba Special Judge NIA Imphal West ki court na yathang pi khiba laikhrabane mak thangmang haukiba sikumja Inglisingani kunithoi gi megi tang kun marida New Delhi gi Kishan Ghar da leiba yum amadagi furup masel gi marakta nungsinadana ba khonabagi wafam social media da thagalui haibagi maralda phakhibani amasung makha tana thizinaba Manipurda purakhibani Security Force nangarang sathakiba operation amada lona thingkraba lalholo KCP lalumba amadi KYKL gi mioi amamam phagat khre ngarang phagat kiba KCP lalumba gi mioi adudi wahengbam Ramananda sahi yangkhai leifam Imphal East ki kontha ahalu mayai lekai dagini mahak ngarang kontha ahalu makha lekai gi lai harong fam leirakki lamlong ahum phang badagi phakhibani Mangondagi Maxin ga konana 9mm pistol ama maru taru Maxin ga konana 9.32 gi pistol ga maru nipan amaga mobile phone amaga fagat khi nakal amaromda fayeng mayai lekai dagi angom azoi koba KYKL gi miyo yamasa fayeng dagi fagat khi mahaki mafam dagi bulletproof jacket ama bulletproof helmet ama military waist belt ama telescope amaga mobile phone amaga fangle hairi Lepalaitana Security Force sing na Manipur gi sing amadi tampaki mafam sing da satharakhi ba thibu humagi thabakta ngarang Suchurajanpur district ki Saidan khul dagi khusukhulai kya amaga fagat pangam khre phagalaklaba khusukhulai sing aduda magazine ga loinana .303 rifle ama 9mm gi pistol ama magazine ga konana semdoklaba carbine machine gun ama local made single barrel nongmai ama semdoklaba 81mm gi long range mortar ama local made pompi ani tear smoke cell atenba amaga tear smoke cell asangba amaga yawi hairi Sekmai AC gi MLA Haikham Dingo Singna mahagi AC gi manungsana leiba Kangsupta ngarang satuni yengsin khre ngarangi yengsin khongsara tuda MLA na Kangsup Singkhung gi relief camp ta leiriba amadi relief camp tagi ming ka khrapa khunja singaloina na punna phamina khe MLA na phungto khibada Imphal West da lan asina khwaidagi sokhanba ACD Sekmai AC ni loina na Kangsup ta leiriba mayum da hanjinba yadriba khunja singi kari tawba yagadabage haibadu kopna yengsilli AC asida su normal si laktuna mayum da hanjinna ba amadi lan asina amang ata thokhan khraba yum singadu Semjin Sazinaba Kanna Angamba Thakta Mari Lainaba Singda Taxil Lagani Masigi Matangda Imphal West ki DC ga su kopna pau phaunari haina tamkhe Amaromda ACS da ing tappa hanjan hanba yana ba permanent outpost masing yamna tairen pokpidagi hauraga Kangla Tongbi fauba thamba mathok tagani haikhe adubo hauziki oinadi ahanbada Kangsupta outpost ama haibase yamna maruoigani masigi damak proposal ama tharagani haikhe Hauzikti mapung oina yengbada Sekmai AC da khara makhaidi ingthatap thaba oina uri MLA na makhatara duna Kangsup amadi masigi akoibada leiriba miyamgi ana layengida khara da oirabasu khudong sanaba ayushki dispensary amasu sanaba thaurang tauri hainasu phongdokhi ngarangi yengsin khongsada du da lamsang PS ki OC amadi CRPF ki official singsu loinakhi Saknai raba kunung isai ki seisakpa thongam gose maitaina manumatam sadana laikidabada Kanglai Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society kimaksna awawa phongdorokli laikhidraba maming lairaba gose maitaina hinglingai matamda iramda Manipur asigi maitai khunai gi oiba Manipuri jagoi isai folk song theater art form sing sumang lila Manipuri film Classical music vocal asina singba kaya amagi lamda award sing amadi masak thokna aikhoi gi chatna lonsat inat yoiba tradition form sing asibo awangba thakta pukhat pituna sakhatna ba khotna biram laba tanglaba oza amani hairi mahak all India radio gi B high approved artist amasu oiramkhi mahakna hinglingai matamda mahaki hotna zamanbu sakhangba oina nongmai them ongbi pisak award citation of honor 2019 Kalashna Raskumari Award 2022 Huirem Ranjit Award 2022 Lifetime Achievement in Folk Song amadi Image of Manipur Lifetime Achievement Award 2022-23 kaya phangkraba misakni laikhidrabagi thawaina ingna mabugi khoya da lainaba amadi oza sibu ikai khumnasaba oina ki marks na awaba phongdok sari amadi imung manungi awaba da susaruk yazari haina zerola sila palakle Loisilakpada marui babao amuka hana bizari. Bom namayum thugai bi khibadagi laifam laitaduna relief camp ta lairakhi binaurem Rositana National Legal Services Authority gi makok thongba sing unarura batungda ngasei Imphal da thonglakre. NIA na thado khina baya thangpi kraba mak thangmang haukep ngarang atopa case amaga mari lenana Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal West na Judicial Custody da amuka thajan kre amade lona thingkraba lalholu KCP lalumba amadi KYKL gi mioya mamam security force na tonga mafam mani dagi fagat kre Hauzi faubagi ISCOM news na pizaba Manipuri pau matang asiloi jare mining tabiri basing bomu kana kharamjari